Drink this juice before bedtime to stop snoring and remedy sleep apnea. Snoring is definitely one of the most annoying ways to contribute to your partner's health problems. We all know that getting a proper night's sleep is extremely important for having a healthy lifestyle. So, if you are constantly waking up in the middle of the night because of your partner's snoring, you should know that this can have serious long-term effects on your health. Lack of sleep can cause numerous health problems including high blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, weight gain, etc. Many studies also prove that lack of sleep can have a negative effect on thinking and cognitive function. What causes snoring? Not having a proper night's sleep can harm both the physical and mental well-being. So, it is very important to find out the root of your problem, in order to protect your partner from losing sleep and damaging their health. Nasal congestion can be the main cause of your chronic snoring. There are many factors which can cause the buildup of mucus in the throat and nasal passage, including allergies, nasal infections, and even a common cold. So, to reduce or even prevent further snoring, it is very important to clear up your mucus. How drinking juice can help nowadays. Drinking natural juice is considered as one of the best ways to improve one's nutrition and health. It is a simple method that will keep your airways clear and reduce congestion. This is due to the fact that consuming freshly extracted juice is definitely the most effective way to obtain the required vitamins and nutrients which will maintain your immune system healthy. Having a healthy immune system can reduce your chances of getting viruses that cause nasal congestion, thus preventing snoring. It will also prevent the development of allergies, which can have a great influence on mucus buildup. Get your 5 per day. A lot of people do not tend to consume their 5 portions of fruits and vegetables a day. So, if it is difficult for you to do this and consume the fruits and vegetables fresh, juicing allows you to get the same amount of nutrients just by drinking a small glass of juice. In this way, you will get the needed nutrients and you will be able to have clear nasal passages. Foods to avoid during the day. There are some foods that you should avoid in the evening hours in order to reduce mucus buildup that narrows your air passage. For instance, you should not consume flour and sugar products, chocolate, fried foods, processed refined foods and dairy products. Also, make sure to avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Having a heavy meal before going to bed can make you snore louder than usual. Moreover, we have a natural juice for you that will reduce your nasal congestion. By consuming this juice and following an easy diet, your snoring will gradually reduce and finally, your partner will have a better night's sleep. Immune system boosting juice. Needed ingredients: 4 big carrots, 1 apple, squeeze of lemon. Directions: you should wash the ingredients and cut them into sizes appropriate for your juices. Juice them and consume the juice a few hours before going to bed.